In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a TED Talk with ChatGPT. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to generate a well-structured TED-style presentation from a single prompt. Whether you're preparing for a speech, presentation, or public speaking event, ChatGPT can help you organize your ideas into a clear, engaging, and inspiring script. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a complete TED Talk and review it before using it for your presentation. To get started, open your web browser and create a new tab. Click on the search bar at the top of the browser and search for ChatGPT. Once the search results appear, select the official ChatGPT website to open the platform. After the page finishes loading, locate the text box near the bottom of the screen where you can enter your prompt. Now it's time to provide ChatGPT with a detailed request. In the prompt field, ask it to write a TED Talk titled, "The Power of Showing Up Every Day." Specify that the presentation should be between 6 and 8 minutes long and include a powerful opening hook, a personal story, 3 key lessons supported by real-life examples, an inspiring conclusion, and a memorable closing line. Also mention that the writing style should be conversational, motivational, and appropriate for a TED stage. Being specific with your prompt helps ChatGPT generate a more polished and focused result. After reviewing your prompt for accuracy, click the Send button to submit your request. ChatGPT immediately begins generating the presentation. Within a few moments, you'll see the title appear, followed by the introduction and the rest of the speech as it continues creating the complete script. Once the response has finished generating, close any pop-up that may appear on the screen so you have a clear view of the completed document. Then move to the top right area of the generated response and select the option to export the document. From the available choices, select the PDF format to save a copy of the completed TED Talk. After the process finishes, open the saved PDF so you can review the finished presentation. As you scroll through the document, carefully read each section. Review the opening hook, the personal story, the 3 main lessons, and the supporting examples to make sure everything flows naturally. Continue reading through the conclusion and the memorable closing line to confirm that the presentation feels complete from beginning to end. Taking a few moments to review the finished script helps ensure that the content is organized, easy to follow, and ready to present. That's all there is to creating a TED Talk with ChatGPT. With a detailed prompt and a quick review of the finished result, you can produce a professional presentation in just a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,